Hi my people, welcome to my YouTube channel today. So in today's video we are making this wonderful bag. This is the bag I am making today. I'll tell you the measurement and everything, how to add the lining inside. And even if you want to add zip here, you can go ahead and add the zipper side of the bag here also. If you want to do that, but not necessary here because there's zip here, you have pockets, we have in the bag, we have the flap. So let's go ahead and make the bag. You can see the base side of the bag is chill, but if you want to do it straight, it's okay. You can also do it that way, but I like doing my own this way. So now let's go ahead. The measurement I will use here, okay, let me go ahead and cut it from here. You see what I'm doing here now. Let's go ahead and do that. For here, the measurement that I'll be using today will be 9.5. Let's check this measurement here. Sorry about that. I will check the measurement that I used here before. I don't have the pattern, so we'll be using 8.5. Sorry, we'll be using 8.5 here. 8.5 by 10. 8.5 by 10 inch will be for the measurement of today. So we'll be using 8.5. Both the base and the main body is here. So this is 8.5, and we'll say it will be by 10. So this is 8.5 by 10 inch. Then coming to the flap, let's first of all join the one that will have flap. Then after that, that's this side here, this one that have flap here. I cut 8.5. That's 8.5 by 10. Then after this one, I'll go ahead and cut this. So for the flap, I'll be adding 6 inch here also. That will be for the flap of the back. So I'll be adding 6 inch by 10 inch also here. So this will be for the flap of the back, and the main body and the base. All of them comes together on those back here. So this is the back side of the bag. That is here. That is for this side now. The flap, the base. So it will be this way. Can you see? So this is for this one this way. Then after that, I'll go ahead and cut this front side. Then after cutting the front side, I'll go ahead and cut this brown one here. So let me keep this one here. I will be seeing what we are doing here now. So this is 10 inch, and I said I'll be cutting 8.5 inch by 10 inch. So this is 8.5 inch by 10 inch. That will be for those sides here. For this side this way. So after cutting it now, the next thing I will cut will be the front one that will cover here this way. So the measurement that we use, okay, let's check what we used here. And the measurement we used here is 6.5 inch. I will call it 7 inch. So let's use 7 inch for that. So coming here, I want to cut this side as I've told you. That's this side now. So what I will do now is for me to, I'll be using 7 inch here instead of 6.5 inch. But for me to get the actual measurement, that for it to be equal with this, I need to place this one here, and after that I'll get the measurement that I need. I'll cut the remaining one. So what I will do here now is for me to measure out 7 inch from here. So I'll measure now 7 inch here. So after cutting it, it will be this way. So while sewing it now, this will be on top of this one this way. Then I add the lining on the remaining side. So coming at this point, I will measure out half inch. Of measuring half inch. That's where I'll add the zip down. So from the half inch, I'll measuring 1.5 inch here, and I'll come this side. I will measure also 1.5 inch here. So I'll cut this side out. That's the place I'll add the zip for the back. So this is how this one will be, and I'll add in zip here. So after this now, I will go ahead and add and cut the side of the back. So for me to get the side of the back, I need to remove 2 inch here and 2 inch here. So the 2 inch here will be the base, and 2 inch here will be the base for the other one. So adding two of them together, it will be 4 inch. So the side of the back will be 4 inch by 8.5 inch. That will be for the side of the back. Let's go ahead and cut it together with you. So on the main body of the bag, because I'm removing 2 inch here, that will be base. The remaining one for the main body, yeah, from here to here, after removing 2 inch from the 8.5 inch, the remaining one now will be 6.5 inch. So the side of the bag will be 4 inch by 6.5 inch, because 2 inch will be for the base. So let me go ahead and do this. So I'm measuring 6.5 inch here. By 4 inch. That will be 6.5 inch by 4 inch. So from here, I'll be removing a 0.3 inch here, and I'll also be removing 0.3 inch this side also. So the remaining one will be the side of the back. So after cutting the side of the bag, this is how it will be. Then the remaining one now will be for me to cut here, and I also cut here. So let's go ahead and do that. So coming to the one that will be at the front of the back this way, this one now, the measurements I used there was 8 by 5.5 inch, and I curved here. That's all for the back. So remaining is this one now. So coming at this point, the measurement that I'll use is 2 inch. So I'm using 2 inch here. That's 2 inch is for the measurement here. Then coming here, I will measure out half inch here. I'm measuring half inch, and I also come this side and I will measure half inch. So from the half inch, getting the middle of this here, that the middle of the two is 1, so I'll get the middle of the two this way. So from the two, I will now draw a straight line and join it from the place I measured the half inch, and I'll come this side. I'll also do the same here. So from here, I'll also measure out 2.5 inch here. So from the 2.5 inch, I'll also get the middle of those. So this is the middle of this one here now. So from the middle of this, I will just measure 1.5 and the 1.5. So after measuring 1 inch from the middle of this, so this is 1 inch here, that's half inch here, half inch here. I will now draw the remaining one here now, this way. And I also draw the remaining one this way also. So this is for this. Then after, I'll cut it out here. So this is how this one will be after cutting it. Can you see? So this is how it will be after cutting it. So thanks so much for watching this video. The remaining one is for me to add a lining, the zip, the side, and I also join all of them together. Let's watch for the part 2 for that one. Thanks so much for watching this one. Thank you so much.